Alright, listen up, tech enthusiasts. AI is everywhere, right? But things are about to get even cooler. We're talking AI crammed right into the devices around us. That's AI with embedded systems. Think about it. Your smartwatch, your car, even your fridge making smart decisions on their own. So, what exactly are we talking about? AI, or artificial intelligence, is basically teaching machines to think like us. They learn from data and make decisions. Pretty neat, huh? Now, embedded systems, those are the brains inside everyday gadgets. They control specific functions like turning on your microwave or adjusting your thermostat. Now, imagine combining these two. Boom, that's where the magic happens. Embedded systems get a serious upgrade with AI. Take self-driving cars, for example. They use AI to understand their surroundings and navigate safely. Or smart home devices that learn your preferences and adjust the lighting or temperature automatically. How cool is that? Ready to jump in? You'll need to start with the basics: programming, sensors, data analysis, the good stuff. Then, dive into machine learning algorithms and how to implement them on tiny devices. Trust me, it's a wild ride. Imagine building your own AI-powered robot or a smart security system. That's the future, and it's waiting for you. This stuff is changing the world, people. And the best part? You can be a part of it. So get out there, start building, and let's make some tech magic happen.